It's back to school time, so today I'm going to teach you how to sneak your favorite foods into class.
Be in action. Wow.
Let's start with this thick notebook. See how big it is? This makes it perfect to hide our Pop-Tarts. I'm going to make this notebook just like I made the secret stash book. Go watch that video if you want to do it yourself. I'm going to open it up, only like 10 pages. Now let's trace out the Pop-Tarts. I don't want to cut all the way through the book, so I brought the back of the book over here. I also put a cutting board under it so I won't cut the countertop. I'm just going to cut all the way around the rectangle. See? And I go all the way down until I reach the bottom. And that was the last ones. Oh my gosh, look at this big mess. Big boo. Now let's see if the Pop-Tart fits. It fits! Yes! I'm just going to apply the glue on the edges on the inside and on the outside of it. You can use Mod Podge for this as well. It's gonna take a couple of coats. Okay guys, the glue is all dry. Check it out. When I go like this, even if I shake it, it doesn't come apart. See, this is all stuck together. Now when I'm in class, I can flip through the pages and eat my Pop-Tart. For this next one, I'm going to use an empty glue bottle and a juice box, and I'm going to put the juice box inside of the glue bottle. I'm just going to cut the bottom out of it. Now I'm just going to slide it on over the top of the juice box. It's your regular old glue bottle, and then you whip out your straw, take off the top, and take a sip. On to edible school supply number 3, edible markers. For this one, we're going to sneak in the mini sour Twizzler twists. I said it in the wrong order. Try saying that 10 times fast. Mini sour Twizzler twist. This one's super easy. All we have to do is pull out our markers and put in our rainbow Twizzlers. I forgot they were sour. And there you have it, 3 edible school supplies that you can bring back to school. Comment down below which one was your favorite. The glue juice box, the edible markers, or the secret book. Oh yeah, and if you haven't decorated your locker yet, then go check out my latest locker decor video. We made a candy dispenser locker and hanging plants. Thank you for watching. Have a great school year. Oh, I start on Monday.